dearest parents and children. It's long time I haven't been with all of you. I'm missing you really very badly. But these are the tough times. None of us ever imagined that such kind of a situation will occur to us anytime. But as the luck would have it, we are having this problem in front of us and we have to cope up, and we above all have to protect ourselves. So it's very, very essential in the wake of COVID-19 that we should all protect ourselves, and at the same time we should take care of our academics, our social well-being, our personal well-being, our emotional well-being, and our health on over and above. Hello students, it's so very amazing. Whenever I talk to you, it's really wonderful. So much of global warming, so much of air pollution, so much of water pollution, so much of climatic changes are taking place. We have diverted our rivers, we had made dams on them, all the glaciers on the peak of Himalaya are melting, and so much of adverse climatic changes are taking place that it has become a cause of concern. So I want that all of you think about your future and act in present. It's not at all necessary to be a scientist or a environmentalist or a student of science. If you love Mother Earth, if you love your town, if you love your city, if you love your country, then definitely you can raise voice to make your city beautiful. So do what you can for your Mother Earth. Save it from climatic changes, save it from global warming. Take place. Take care of yourself.
माना कि कठिन डगर है ये, हम मिलकर पार लगा लेंगे। रुकना भी कोई विकल्प नहीं, कदमों से कदम मिला लेंगे। छात्र हित में तत्पर हम ज्ञान ज्योति जगा देंगे। बच्चे, ये राष्ट्र का जीवन है, हम मिलकर नव राष्ट्र बना देंगे।
You must be the change you wish to see in the world.